I like to use it on my hands. I have used it on my face and it's lovely. Hello, Alli Drew here. I'm in my 60s and today I'm going to show you some quick tricks to make your hands look younger, as well as some hand treatments. I have two different nail shapes today. That's the Alli trend, to wear two different nail shapes. And I have a dip powder manicure on my nails. The square shape is a little more urban and a little more edgy. The round shape is a little more feminine, a little more youthful, and a little more ladylike. Both are nice, and if you have a long nail bed, you can wear both shapes. Round-shaped nails on older hands are just a little more effeminate, a little more young-looking, and a little more ethereal. So trick number one is to forget about the Alli trend on older hands of two different nail shapes and to wear round or oval shaped nails on older hands. Trick number two is to use this product. This is Cicapair by Dr. Jart. It's a color correcting cream made for your face, but I like to use it on my hands. I have used it on my face and it's lovely. And I don't use it every day. I'll use it for a special occasion, or if I know I'm going to be holding a glass of wine for the evening. It has an SPF of 30 and it's not real messy. I wore it with a long sleeve black shirt and I didn't get a lot of product on my sleeve. It doesn't cover everything, but it just kind of takes the edge off. This hand does not have Cicapair, and this hand does. As you can see, it adds that extra coverage. Trick number three is to wear gemstone rings. Gemstones will draw attention away from your hands and towards the jewelry. The bright colors are a nice distraction. These are $30 rings I bought at Macy's, and you can either wear a single ring. This is also a $30 ring I bought at Macy's. You can wear the single ring to get that rich girl look, or you can wear several rings to get a European look. So trick number three is to wear gemstone rings. Trick number four is, of course, our nail colors. The days of experimenting with different colors are over. Stick with 3 or 4 different colors you know are going to work for you. Stay away from blue tones. Blues will highlight the blue veins in your hands. And stay away from deep reds with a blue tone in them. If you want to wear red, wear an orangey red. White is always a safe option for older hands. You can play around with different shades of pink and coral. Coral is a really nice color for the summer on older hands. It will brighten up your skin. If you have darker toned skin, orange and gold are really nice colors. On to some treatments. I do exfoliate my hands about once a week with a light loofah, and then I will use this hand cream. I will use this Eucerin Eczema Relief Cream, and I will layer it with Vaseline, or I will use this CeraVe cream. This is made for your face, and I will use it on my hands, and I will also layer it with Vaseline. And don't waste your money on cotton gloves. Just wear a pair of old socks on your hands. The socks will trap moisture in your skin, and sleep with the socks overnight. And I will also use, on alternating nights, I will use a moisturizer with glycolic acid in it to exfoliate the skin on my hands. And the moisturizer I like to use is this Glytone moisturizer. It's their body lotion, and I will use this every other night. And of course I will use a sunscreen during the day. At first, I will put the Cetaphil lotion on, and then I will layer it with this Hawaiian Tropic sunscreen. This is very inexpensive, and I really like this because I get no residue on my clothes when I use this sunscreen. I use an IPL machine. I use this Faustina device. The at-home IPL machines will prevent and fade brown spots on your skin. I used the IPL device on my face, and it faded brown spots on my face. I use my IPL machine on my hands once a week. I'm going to refer you to my video 60 is the new 40, where I go into more detail as to how I use the IPL device. But on my hands, I basically just go down my hands, and I do it twice. And again, I do it every week without fail. And I've never had any brown spots on my hands. So this is a really good treatment to use if you already have brown spots or you want to prevent brown spots. And here's something nice you can do for your hands, and you won't waste food either. Overripe bananas make a great hand mask. Bananas have antioxidants in them. They have traces of vitamin A, they have vitamin C, and vitamin E. They have several B vitamins that protect against premature aging, zinc to protect against germs, and of course, potassium, which hydrates and moisturizes dehydrated skin. How often do I do a banana hand mask? Whenever I have overripe bananas. Make sure you mash the banana so it doesn't have a lot of lumps in it. Apply the puree to both hands before you put on eco-friendly gloves. And don't throw away your banana peels, because your banana peels are nutrient dense and they are going to cover the backs of your hands. So you want to leave this mask on for about 15 or 20 minutes. So I am stuck here for the next 15, 20 minutes with this mask on. Anyway, remember, being kind makes us the most beautiful. Thank you so much for watching.